today we become BMW guys.
BMW for today,
For today only.
For today, Check out the vibe here, man. Look at this.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to begin our program shortly, could I invite our guests that are seated outside to head into the indoor space right now? Do feel free to gather around the event space. Make sure that you're able to see everything clearly later on. A friendly reminder for you to set your mobile devices to silent mode.
Okay, so they're calling us in to the main space below. So we're gonna have a... Hey, how are you? How are you? Your name, bro?
Derek.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So it's a huge party going on here, as you can see. Lots of people, invitees, us, and the media as well. I think they're gonna unveil the bike right over there. So this bike is probably like the most anticipated bike of the year. I think everybody is waiting for it. We got the teasers, the announcements, and all the publicity photos for the internet. And now Singapore is gonna launch officially the BMW R 1300 GS Adventure. There have been mixed opinions and reviews about it, especially when it comes to the looks. But to me, I actually kind of like the boxy and rugged look of the 1300 GSA. So we're just gonna see it for ourselves first hand, Fahan enjoying himself, I think it's like your first or second bike launch. Hey, hi, how are you? To be frank, guys, I haven't eaten the whole day. I'm just waiting for the buffet to open. We are here for the food.
Sorry PML.
Okay. Aku dah kat sini. Aku kat sini. Okay. Yeah, I reserve the place really.
Wow, can I just say I'm loving the energy in this room tonight. I want to thank all of you for taking the time to join us this Thursday evening. I want to introduce myself. My name is Juliana Yao. I am very excited, very delighted to be your host for this afternoon. So we're going to be jumping right into things. Without further ado, I would like to invite Mr. Lawrence Wong, Managing Director of Performance Motors, up to the front for his welcome speech.
Thanks, Juliana. I'm Lawrence Tan, not Lawrence Wong. And today, this place is no longer just a showroom, it is a hub for the riding community. Thank you very much once again for your support. Thank you.
Thank you very much to Lawrence. Lawrence, now I will forever remember your last name. It's Tan. I owe you a beer. Okay? With that, not just yet. We're not going to be, taking down the curtains just yet. We want to hear from somebody else that's very important this evening as well. Let us put our hands together for Mr. Shiva Ray. He is head of BMW Motorrad Southeast Asia and also our brand principal. Please come on forward to share a few words with us.
Singaporeans become the first country to see the R1300 GSA. Much before China, India, Japan and South Korea of the world see it. You guys are the first ones to see it within the next 2 minutes. Thank you so much for having me here, Lawrence. It's a pleasure and honor to be here. Thank you.
So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! Presenting to you the all-new BMW R 1300 GS Adventure. For more than over 2 decades, the big BMW GS Adventure has been made for long-distance motorcycle journeys. To ensure that this is the same and even better, this new model has been completely redesigned from engine, chassis to bodywork, taking the cornerstones of the BMW GS Adventure to a whole new level. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to let you know, yes, it is now time for you to get up close and personal.
Sorry.
To take a closer look at our bikes over here.
Okay guys, so there's a whole crowd of people crowding over the bikes. I think myself and Fahan, we're going to go eat first. So we go eat first lah, hungry ya. Come. They got BMW branded ice cream. Hi, can I have one? Thank you. Yeah, we got bread ice cream, man. Brings back my childhood days. Macam bro, GS ber?
On.
On to on eh?
We ride S1.
Yeah, right as one. Make life alright. Make life alright.
Make someone life miserable. Hey, bukan.
What?
Make someone life miserable. People who own Ducatis make good mechanics.
How many have you had to drink? How many? Two.
But she's sexy. She's a nice looking bike though. I can get used to the shape.
Hey, dah sampai ah.
1,500 GS adventure.
This is for you.
The features of this brand new bike. But here I am popping it.
There's still a huge crowd, the two bikes over here. Definitely this 1300 GSAs, they are generating a lot of interest from potential owners. You know guys, I heard a lot of criticism about the new 1300 GSA and a lot of people are commenting about the design. You know, it doesn't look like a GS whatsoever, but yet there's a lot of people here crowding around the bikes. I especially love the new headlights and also the signal indicators. They are, or maybe this is a fog light, I'm not sure. They are integrated with the tank. Got this clip over here to clip all your side bags lah, whatever lah. Oh, so this is the 1300 GSA trophy. And of course the GSA is distinguished by this huge tank over here. And we got the ever signature boxer engine. Comes with the dual side cases as well. And let's see how deep it is. Oh wow. Must see yourself on YouTube.
Myself in YouTube.
Yes,
Thank you, Tambak Overlander, for featuring me in your YouTube video.
Yeah. We got a TFT display, all of the bells and whistles of a BMW GSA carried forward to the 1300 GSA. Let's hear how she sounds. They noticed me vlogging. Everything is all right angles on this bike. LED lighting all around. Macam mana perasaan anda?
Oh, okay.
Okay je.
Ini when you see live, different feeling lah daripada when you see in the video semua kan. Pasal orang semua review cakap tak lawa lah, bodoh lah. Tak lawa apa? That's why when you see live, oh cantik juga kan.
Kan, lain kan.
Abang ni nak sign ni abang ni. Mana? Ni abang ni? Abang ni?
Nak beli ke abang?
Tengok dulu lah.
Home Affairs approve tak?
I don't think so lah.
Ini tak kasih ya?
Ini tak kasi. Home Affairs tak approve lah.
Tak boleh. Home fair tak.
Ini saya temankan dia nak beli ni benda. Dia tak percaya saya.
Wow, it's quite nice actually, but I feel heavier than the 1200 GSA. But nice, huh? More technology, best. No, but no money to
And
buy.
also for your height, is surprisingly it's not that tall for you.
Actually, I'm 170. Seems okay for me. I think the suspension is in the high mode now. Yeah, maybe if I lower it, would have been nice, huh? Yeah, thank you.
Ni memang dah pakai BMW baju ni. Apa perasaan anda?
Gairah bang.
Gairah
Lagi-lagi kalau dapat bawa keluar. Ini nak cuba duduk dulu.
Oh my god guys, everybody cannot get enough of the bike. They're like touching it, sitting on it. And the interest generated today, right now, is just overwhelming. Wow. This is really the bike of the year.
Sure, waiting for your video. Yeah, all the best.
Thank you. Hopefully we get a chance to review it lah.
Sure.
I appreciate your support, man. Anyway, I got something for you. You take already.
I got already.
Okay. Thanks.
Thank you. Yeah.
Appreciate it, man.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so I think Javin, he was looking at the reviews and was telling me a lot of things about this bike. Okay, so apparently the rear base plate is movable so that there's counterbalance on, and there's a box on top. And then after that, this is the wireless charging port for you want to charge on the go whatsoever, so you can actually have a box and then put your electronic items and the wireless charge over here. Wow, pretty interesting. So yeah, helps with the counterbalance when there's a box and wireless charging as well. Interesting. Whoa. I'm trying to avoid the crowd here, but damn boy, there's so many people just admiring the bikes. What do you think?
Cool.
Cool on it.
Very nice, yeah.
Very nice, huh?
Yes.
Oh, I feel like
Deposit.
marvelous lah.
Deposit lah.
Alamak, deposit lah.
Quite low compared to the old one.
What's your height, bro?
168.
What's all this?
This is BMW, bro. 1300 GSA. Wow.
Okay, welcome to BMW Motorrad Singapore. Today we have the launch of the R1300 GSA. So as you can see here, the first two units came of trophy color, and one is the normal clutch, and the other one is the ASA without the clutch. Yeah, just like the 1300 GS, the headlight is exactly similar. And then this is a new BMW fog light.
Oh, fog light.
The previous 1250 GSA will come with a bottom and a top crash bar. But the new one will have the extended piece here, and then it's only available for the bottom. So you have some hooks here for accessories. The bike for electronic, it comes with front radar, rear radar, motorized windscreen, and the ride height. So as you can see, we are busy. Come to BMW Motorrad showroom to see in person.
See you.
Or anyone.
So you can find Yem, okay, ask him all the questions that you need. He's a very shy guy and very busy, but thank you for being on the show. Okay, so how is it, bro?
Normal lah. It's amazing. Oh my god. It's quite light leh. It's a typical 1300 bike. Typical. But it feels light Total lah. It feels light bro. Feels very nimble. But don't have clutch bro.
This one is what the
Automated shift assist.
automated shift assistant.
Macam Honda punya.
GCT So what's the price for the bike actually?
Starts from 81.8. It depends on the color variant as well. Okay, so come to BMW Motorrad.
Okay guys, so that's it for the vlog. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye. Now let's have some ice cream.
Ice cream. Oh yeah.
Ride on, Tambak overlanders. We're living each moment, no rules to abide. Ride on, with engines that thunder, two wheels.